stupid horse.
Let's try and kill that. Let's try and kill that big one.
Yep, go ahead and pull it. I'm good. This one doesn't hurt like that one, dude. The other one was a steroids. I think that's why we couldn't tame it. He was probably max level or something. He was like attacking way faster too than this one. Yeah, see this one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The other one was on roids, dude. too beefy. Get it. Oh, let me load up a spell. I forgot shit. Okay, spell loaded.
Oh, I failed in the last second, but I'm trying to tame again.
There you go. Spells ready in case you fail.
Failed.
You good? You can keep trying. Go ahead. I got mana. I'm gonna try to so my taming or my whatever efficiency goes up. I got a spell ready though when it comes out. Calm down, bird. Come on. Just be chill. Be chill.
Hey, got him.
Nice.
So that is a level 31 terror bird. It uses 55 pet points.
Oh man, he's got a lot of health. Let me butcher my meat so I can get more skills.
It doesn't like dial. It does like bear meat.